What are measures in Power BI? In Power BI, measures are calculations used to perform aggregations, calculations, or other operations on your data. They are defined using data analysis expressions, DAX, which is a formula language designed for Power BI and other Microsoft BI tools. Here are key points about measures in Power BI. Dynamic calculations. Measures are dynamic in nature, meaning they compute values on the fly based on the context of your report or visualization. They can aggregate data, perform calculations, or return specific values based on conditions. Aggregations. Measures often aggregate data across multiple rows or columns. For example, you can create measures to calculate sums, averages, counts, minimums, maximums, and other statistical functions. Contextual calculation. Measures adjust their calculation based on filters, slicers, and other elements applied to your report. This allows for interactive and responsive data analysis. Reuse and flexibility. Measures can be reused across different visualizations within your report or across different reports. They provide a centralized way to define complex calculations without duplicating efforts. Performance optimization. Measures are computed at query time or runtime, optimizing performance by reducing the amount of data retrieved from the data source. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with large datasets. Formula language. DAX measures are defined using DAX, which supports a wide range of functions and operators to manipulate and analyze data. DAX formulas can be simple or complex, depending on the required calculation. Now, let's proceed with some demonstrations. Examples of measures in Power BI might include total sales, summing up sales amounts across all transactions. Average price, calculating the average price of products sold. Year-to-date sales, summing sales amounts only for the current year. Profit margin, calculating profit margin as a percentage based on sales and costs. now have enhanced visualizations in your Power BI report. Total sales amount by region shows the total sales amount for each region. Average sales amount displays the average sales amount for each item. Year-to-date sales shows the cumulative sales amount up to the current date, allowing you to see sales trends over time. Profit margin displays the profit margin for each item. These visualizations demonstrate how to use DAX measures in Power BI to analyze and visualize your data effectively. In essence, measures in Power BI enable you to perform sophisticated calculations and generate meaningful insights from your data, enhancing the effectiveness of your reports and dashboards.